Ever wondered what chimney cleaning really costs? Well, today we're breaking it all down for you.
Yeah, if you've seen prices from $49 to over $300, you know exactly how confusing it can get.
So you've got this wild range of prices. What's the deal? Let's dive into what these numbers actually mean.
Okay, so this is the sweet spot, the honest, legit price for a real professional job around here. But what do you actually get for that money? Because it's way more than just a quick brush up.
A real pro has a solid process. They prep, clean, inspect everything, and they even clean up after.
And this right here, the video inspection, it's an absolute game changer for spotting hidden problems.
A lot of places will charge you extra for this, but a good, reputable company just includes it.
Okay, let's talk about the big one, the classic bait-and-switch scam. You gotta watch out for this.
See, that super low price is just the hook. They get in, then try to scare you into huge repairs.
And here's how you tell them apart. A pro shows you video proof. A scammer just uses pressure tactics.
So keep an eye out for these red flags. If you see any of them, be really careful.
Okay, so you know how to spot the scams. Now, how do you actually get the best value?
Here's a great tip. Look for combo deals. Bundling services like this is a super smart way to save.
You save a few bucks, sure, but you also get 2 major fire safety jobs done all at once.
Here's another pro tip. Book in the off-season, like spring or summer. You'll totally avoid that fall rush.
So the key takeaway is this: know what you're paying for. You want a real service, not a sales pitch.
All right, now you know the real cost. The only question left is your home ready for the season?